आप लोग WhatsApp तो यूज़ ही करते होंगे। कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप एक रैंडम ग्रुप चैट में ऐड हो गए हों या आपके पास एक ऐसे इंसान का मैसेज आया हो जिसको आप जानते ही नहीं? अगर ऐसा है तो यू आर नॉट अलोन। दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमन वे दैट fraudsters scam you. But WhatsApp has announced that it is fighting back with some major new security features. We all know that feeling. You get a notification and suddenly you are in a group with 50 people you have never met. WhatsApp has announced two features that will help you from being scammed. Now, when you are added to a new group by someone who isn't in your contacts, a safety overview will pop up first. This screen gives you important information about the group and, most importantly, lets you exit the chat without ever having to see the messages. The notifications for that group will be silenced by default and you will only hear from it when you decide to stay. ये तो हो गई ग्रुप मैसेजिंग की बात। What about individual chats? पर्सनल चैट्स पर भी ऐसे स्कैम वाले मैसेजेस आते हैं। WhatsApp is also tackling this. They are testing new alerts that will give you more context about the sender before you even start a chat. This is designed to help you make an informed decision. Scammers often start on other platforms like Instagram or Facebook and then try to move the conversation to a more private app like WhatsApp. These new features aim to stop them in their tracks. And it's not just new features. WhatsApp says that it is taking the fight to the scammers themselves, claiming that in their first 6 months of this year, they banned over 6.8 million accounts linked to criminal scam centers all around the world. So, while these updates might seem small, they represent a major step forward in making your chats safer. It's a reminder that we all need to stay vigilant. What do you think of these features? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this tech update video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel.